Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Today I'm in the our local customer pallet making factory plant. Behind me you can see that it's our 132 kilowatts wood pallet machine. The other stuff is trying to start the pallet machine. Now first we need start the automatic lubricating pump working, and then the dust collector, and then the pallet machine. And you can see that this is our main pallet machine, and over there is an automatic bearing lubricating system. And from the pallet machine, you can see that it's an simple vibration squeezer for separating the dust and the broken pallet. And then the good quality pallet will go through this Z-type bucket conveyor to the big pallet silo. This pallet silo around with sieves, so this design is easily for cooling the pallet. And you can see the pallet we use mixed wood, with the pallet compression ratio is very suitable, and the pallet with very good quality. And over here, and from here you can see that we use a wheel loader to load the crushed wood chips. These wood chips from our large comprehensive crusher, and the output wood chips is around 5 to 10 centimeters. And then we use a wheel loader take this wood chips to this underground pit, and then they storage these wood chips. And from here you can see that we use about conveyors transport the chips to our high efficiency hammer mill. And because the raw material has a lot of nails and steel inside, so we use two magnetic remover. This one is a magnetic plate, and this one is a belt magnetic remover. So the steel will be separated, and then high efficiency hammer mill will grind these wood chips to sawdust size. And the fan blower is over here, and it will suck this sawdust to a cyclone, to upside cyclone, and then the airlock will drop the sawdust to this small silo, and then screw conveyor transport the wood chips to a pallet machine. The pallet machine now is working on pallet. The capacity for this 132 kilowatt pallet machine average 2.2 tons per hour. And you can see the hammer mill start working.